I'm Scott Roberts. I'm the National Fleet Manager for the Scottish Fire and Rescue Service. We cover the whole of Scotland. That includes all of the island groups, Shetland, Orkney and the Western Isles. We've recognised that there's a massive change in technology, and that required our staff to be upskilled to be able to cope with some of the rigours that our fleet endure, and a massive change to EV technology, and upskilling was the primary aim.
So over a year ago now, we joined forces with the emergency services, fire, police and ambulance to start delivering our electric vehicle training. We kicked that off by delivering the level 2 and 3 training to the fire technicians. We've taken 105 employees through the courses, upskilling them, being able to now work on electric powered vehicles rather than the traditional fuel powered vehicles.
When we're working in a frontline operational environment, such as the fire service, our technicians need to be at the cutting edge of technology. Some of the changes in carbon footprint for us have been real challenging in an operational environment, so having our staff trained to meet the needs of a blue light specific fleet is a real challenge for us, and the college have helped us to deliver that in a timely fashion.
This was a really exciting partnership for us. I think the world as a whole is advancing, businesses are having to advance, and the emergency services are no different. They have to start transitioning out their fleets, and that means that their staff have to be upskilled. So over a year ago now, we sat down with the emergency services, we carried out a training needs analysis with them, and we really helped them understand, what are the key priority areas, and upskilling their technicians to work on electric vehicles was absolutely a critical element to be able to start future-proofing their business. I think when we think about the fire services, we think about the front end of fire services, but actually the back end, the technicians, they keep these vehicles safe, they keep them roadworthy, and that will be the difference between that vehicle getting to the scene of an accident or not. So it's absolutely critical to the success of the business.
A really positive, great experience working with the college. They came in, spoke to us about what we required as an emergency service, and they tailored that training need to suit. The training was well accepted by all of the staff. It was delivered in a time scale that was suitable for us. Over the period of circa 2 years, the college have managed to accommodate all of our training requirements.
I think one of the things that we really recognise when working with businesses, and particularly within the trade sector, is that it can be really, really difficult to be able to release staff who are operational delivery. So to take people out of a business to attend training can mean sometimes that it impacts the operational delivery of that business. So what we always try and do is work around the business's peak times, the quiet times, and that's exactly what we were able to do with the fire services. We have a full suite of electric vehicle courses available. So if you are a car garage owner, if you're a technician, if you work anyway in the transportation sector and you're interested in attending the electric vehicle training, get in touch with the business partnership team. You'll find us on the business and partnership section of the website.